Hey everyone, this is Sharon with Designer DIY. Learn how I make this super easy bow for my showstopper wreaths. Ignore the ivory wreath, it's the only plain one that I had available. For this bow, you're going to need a 4-inch ribbon and a 1-inch ribbon and a piece of wire, and I folded it in half so it makes a little loop. I start by measuring out 20 inches for the tail, and then I pinch the ribbon. And I'm going to make 7-inch loops, so I measure out 14 inches, pinch, and I bring where I pinched together. So for this bow, you don't have to twist or anything. It makes it nice and easy. I measure out another 14 inches, and I just bring that up and over, and I add it in. And I'm going to use the floral wire to go around this ribbon like a slip knot. I put the ends through the loop. And I pull it tight, and I'm going to tie a little single knot right on the top of it so that I can make the next layer and just stack it right on top. That way I don't have to hold all the layers in my hand. I snip this little tail about the same length as the loops, and then I'm going to grab the 1-inch ribbon and we're going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to measure out 20 inches for the tail. And since I already have a layer made, I'm just going to hold this ribbon over it to see the loop size because I just want to make the loops slightly smaller. So I'm going to just add this right on top and use the same wire to tie it on. And then I'll snip the tail the same length, the top short tail. And then it's up to you if you want to cover the center of your bow or if you just want to leave it. A lot of times when you're adding to the wreaths, you won't even be able to see the center. I'm going to bring the wire to the back side and do a double knot, and I leave this wire on so I can attach it to the wreath. And if you do want to cover your center, I just cut a little piece of the top layer of whatever ribbon I use for the top layer. And I cover the center and I glue it on the back side. And then this 1-inch ribbon is double-sided. It has a gold on the backing. So instead of cutting the ends like a dovetail, I'm going to be folding them over so the gold shows. And then the 4-inch, I'm just going to do the dovetail cut. The ends of the ribbon, it's totally up to you how you want to do it. But this is the style bow we are going to be using for our showstopper wreath kits that we are going to be releasing soon. So keep an eye out for those. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Save it, share it with your friends. And make sure to follow us so that you get the announcement when we release the new showstopper wreath kits.